A penumbral lunar eclipse is a temporary astronomical event where light from a source is dimmed by an intervening celestial object and is reflected off an orbiting moon that is passing through the penumbral shadow cast by the intervening celestial object. Let's take a look at an image of a penumbral lunar eclipse. On the left, we have this penumbral lunar eclipse. We've got this moon that's passing through the penumbral shadow. So the umbra, which is the center portion, is the deepest, darkest portion of the shadow cast by the intervening celestial object, and the weaker shadow is the penumbra, which is the outer circle. As we can see with this moon, it's passing through a portion of the penumbra. So you could pass through all of the penumbra, or the moon could pass partially through the penumbra, and you will just see a darkening of the moon. It won't turn a reddish color, it'll just be a darkening of the moon. Let's look at a sketch of a penumbral lunar eclipse. And we're going to use the sun, the earth, and the moon system in this penumbral eclipse. Let's break the definition down. We see a temporary astronomical event where light from a source, and that light source is the sun, is dimmed by an intervening celestial object, and that intervening celestial object is the moon itself. The light is reflected off an orbiting moon, so we have sunlight that's grazing the earth, and that sunlight is going to reflect off a moon, and it's going to bounce back into the viewer's eyes. The viewer is on the nighttime side of the earth, and the viewer could be a human, could be an animal, it could be a telescope. So that color that they're going to see is basically a darkening color. So we're going to draw this reflected light as more of this darkening gray color. Now the moon is not passing through this umbra, it's passing through the penumbra. It's passing under or over the umbra. Hence we get a penumbral lunar eclipse.